Hey guys, it's Maymay, and it is that time of the month again. The time of the month where we reveal our latest Stamp Club set. And this month, it is so cute and useful. You're going to use this one a lot. I'm really excited about this stamp set. So, this is our scripture of the month club reveal. And if you're not a member of our club, if you want more information about it, we'll have that in the description below. Let me show you this one. It's so cute. This set is called Planted. Now, we never have enough floral sets, in my opinion. We're always trying to add new florals and try to do them in different ways. And I think you're really going to love how this one turns out. Now, one thing I want to tell you, I'm going to stamp it and show you kind of how it plays together. I don't have samples today. If you know, you know. I just don't have any samples today. But I'm going to show you how this works. And Sylvia always does such a good job of getting you samples on the product page. So you can head to our product page at maymaymadeit.com, and everything you see here will give you inspiration for how to use them. But I want to stamp a little bit today, and I'm going to use her page as inspiration for myself and show you how this works. Now, let's look at it up close just a little bit. If we look right here, you'll see that you've got thank you for planting seeds, and you'll see this word faithfulness. Let us not become weary, for in time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. From Galatians. Here's generosity. Whoever sows generously will also reap generously. Peace, kindness, love, and everything you need to build a garden like you can't imagine. So I think this is going to be a well-loved set. Okay, so let's stamp it out. So I'm going to start by stamping some flowers. Now, one thing you want to think about with these is you want to think about your petal placement if you're going to use stems with them, okay? So I'm going to make sure I have kind of a place to put a stem in there by stamping that down. That'll make sense in a minute when I get to that point. But if you're just going to stamp these as the flowers themselves without any stems, you don't really have to pay attention to that. But because I want to bring that stem up in there, I want to make sure I'm watching that. So I'm going to stamp it a couple of times. We'll stamp it 3 times so that I can show you how the stems work. Now, you have multiple choices on your stem. One choice is this one that is like the double leaf. So you can ink that guy up and come right here and stamp it in that little open section of those petals, and you get that look, okay? Or you can use this guy, which is like 6 leaves. You can ink him up, and he can go right here. I'm trying to do this without getting over the top, you guys, so I hope this turns out the way I've got it. Not too bad. I got a little close to my petals, but you can see how you can mix that up, right? But then maybe my favorite way is that these words that we created here with these longer ends can go in between as stems as well. So your cursive-y words are also stems. Let's see if I can get that in there pretty close. When you have this at home and you're getting over top, you'll be able to do it much easier. So see how pretty that is? So I want to show you, like on her sample sheet, she's giving you an idea of how to use that. Isn't that precious? I love that so much. All right, and then the flowers themselves are just adorable. Let's look at this one. So if we have this flower, goes like this. Isn't he pretty? This one may be my favorite from the set, my favorite flower. Let me show you. Look at this guy. He's so gorgeous. I just love him. There's another one. This one looks a little maybe sunflowery. He's got little pointy edges. Let me ink him up a little better. But the same thing. You can use them with all of your stems like this, or you can just do the flowers. You know, maybe you just want to do a little nest of flowers in the corner. That would be super cute. It's like if you come down here and we'll stamp one there. And then maybe we stamp this little guy over here. And then maybe we can get this little guy in there. Something like that. So you can get this little nest of flowers if you want to do them like that. But then the other thing you can do, which I love, I'm telling you, this set is very versatile. You have a flower pot. Look how cute this guy is. So up here, where we did all of these, we can take our little flower pot and we can plant them in the pot. How precious. And you get a lot of height out of it. So I'm trying to line that up. There we go. I think I got it. Yeah, pretty good. See how that works? Isn't that cute? Even these guys can go just like that. Isn't that great? I love it so much. Y'all know I'm very into my plants lately, and I thought this would be really cute to make for a summer set and also focus on our scripture. Now, there's more things on here. There's so much on this set I want to show you. You also have this little trail here, and it is for that little butterfly right there. Do you see that little guy? He's so cute. This bow, let me show you what it does. So this little bow is made for our flower pot. I'm going to try to get where I can see what I'm doing here. And you can put it right around your flower pot just like that. So if you want to have a bow tied on the pot, and not only that one, you also have this ribbon or this string that I think is so pretty that you can stamp across the flower pot like so. And you got a little trail out the side. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love this set. Not to mention the word of, so you can mix that in where you need it, and that little heart. So there's so much here you're going to be able to use for so many different things. And again, I'm sorry I do not have samples for you this month. This was going to be one we were really going to love to play with too. But we do have this sheet so you can see kind of how Sylvia would lay it out. I love how she even did it like this for a long card. And she's got, some of these are like A2 ideas, and then she's got stamping ideas. Thank you for planting seeds of faithfulness. Thank you for planting seeds of generosity. Thank you for planting seeds of love. Thank you for planting seeds of peace. Thank you for planting seeds of kindness. And thank you for planting seeds of joy. You can do all that with the set. That was really my focus. You know, so many times people in our lives do so much to plant a seed, and it's nice to be able to tell them thank you for that, right? All right, you guys, that is our set. And as always, if you make a project with the set and post it to our customer gallery, it will enter you to win a $50 gift card to our store. Now, you could have won last month if you entered, so be sure to check the top line of the description to see if you're our lucky winner. Thanks so much for being here today. Thank you for your grace and your patience as we have to do this a little different this week. We'll be back to normal with the next reveal. We love you guys so much, and until next time, bye now.